that. Ice cream is just a product that's being inspired by natural snow. Hey bro, how can he hug you more if he doesn't have any hands? Like this. Bye. If they take a few more steps, this game will change from chasing to hide and seek.